The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, also in charge of Urban Affairs Department, while speaking to news reporters today, informed that the Harijan Panchayat Committee, HPC, has been given a time frame till the 10th of April 2023 to respond to the government's offer of relocation of the 342 families from Them Iew Mawlong to a designated location of the Shillong Municipal Board. This particular decision was taken after a thorough discussion had taken place between the government and officials of the Urban Affairs Department. However, the request of the HPC for another 3 months' time from the state government for a proper response from their end was not accepted by the government through the Urban Affairs Department.
So they 6 time for another 3 months, so we have decided yesterday in the meeting that yesterday we write a letter to them for the Harijan Committee, so we give them time till 10 April. Let them reply and we'll discuss it. That was decision taken yesterday.
There was a blueprint which...
They already submitted to them before. Not before, long time before election. After submission the blueprint to them, they told us give us time. And again they asked time for 3 months, so we thought 2-3 months is too long. So yesterday we guys decided, so we'll give them time for reply till 10 April. Let them reply and we'll take a call on them. Simple as that.
What if they got
Let receive the reply from them first.
Okay.
What they want.
Okay.
We'll see. Government will take call accordingly.
The government can stick you to God.
Yeah, obviously you have to stick to that.
Okay.
Sometimes could step in, so you never know, no?
Okay.
What about the demands?
That's why you know very well the demand. The same demand they demand. They want to give a new place for them. That the government is ready for that. If the demand is genuine, government will okay with that. And if the demand is not genuine, so we'll just keep discussing. But we will try to solve it at the earliest possible.
According to the statistics, how many illegal settlers?
Yeah. Let them reply to us first and we'll take final call.
Okay. They asked for 3 months time.
They asked, but we decided yesterday we'll give them till 10 April. Let them reply till 10 April. And the chairman of the high level committee will call a meeting. We will discuss there and then only.